Welcome to the best picks. The best aluminum-free baking soda is probably one of the most sought-after baking ingredients for health-conscious individuals and those seeking natural alternatives, offering a pure and effective way to enhance your baking and cleaning routines without the potential concerns associated with aluminum-containing baking soda. This video will delve into the key factors to consider when choosing the best aluminum-free baking soda for your needs, ensuring you make an informed decision that aligns with your values and priorities. Number 5. Pure baking soda. It's made with only pure baking soda, nothing else. It's perfect for all your baking and cleaning needs. This is pure sodium bicarbonate. You know exactly what you're getting, no fillers or additives. We guarantee its purity. It's always consistent and ready to use. It's incredibly versatile. Use it in your cooking, baking, and even for cleaning. It's a must-have for any kitchen. It's a simple ingredient with endless possibilities. We believe in purity. That's why it contains only pure baking soda. Enjoy the quality. What we like? It's a large, pure baking soda without any additives. If you need a large quantity for regular baking and cleaning, and you care about purity, this is a great option for you. Its large size provides excellent value, making it perfect for those who use baking soda frequently. What people say. It's perfect for all our cleaning, baking, and personal care needs. We love that it's all natural and versatile, with so many uses around the house. The metallized interior acts as a VOC barrier to keep the contents truly separate from the smells and fumes of its surroundings. The result is that the baking soda arrived scentless and pure, and, as I am very diligent about sealing the zipper top correctly, it has stayed that way. Use it to wash fruits and vegetables. Number 4. It's just baking soda. It's simply pure sodium bicarbonate, nothing else added. Perfect for countless uses, from baking to cleaning. It's food grade and naturally gluten-free, making it a safe and versatile ingredient for all your recipes. It effortlessly tackles tough stains in your bathroom and laundry. Say goodbye to grime and hello to freshness. From production to packaging, it's made entirely in the USA. Each batch undergoes rigorous third-party testing to guarantee purity. It's a premium product, packaged in our GMP-certified facility in California. You can trust in its quality and consistency. It's incredibly versatile. Use it in your favorite recipes, for cleaning, or even to make bath bombs. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This baking soda is 100% pure and food grade, made in the USA. If you prioritize quality, purity, and origin, and you need a baking soda for both cooking and cleaning, this is the one for you. The fact that it's made in the USA adds to its appeal for those who value domestic products. What people say. One thing I like most about this baking soda is that it is uncut with alum. Alum is a preservative that is found in many baking soda products. The only other one I know of that does not list that preservative is red mill. This baking soda is top quality and works perfectly for all my needs, from baking to cleaning. I love that it's food grade, non-GMO, and made in the USA, which gives me confidence in its purity and safety. It dissolves well, has no weird aftertaste, and performs exactly as expected. A reclusable bag keeps spillage from occurring. Number 3. Pure baking soda. It's made with only the purest ingredients. You can trust it for all your cooking, baking, and cleaning needs. It's perfect for baking and cooking. It's a key ingredient in many recipes, adding a light and airy texture to your creations. Use it to make your cakes, cookies, and breads rise beautifully. It's a baking essential for delicious results. It's also a fantastic cleaning agent. It's a natural and effective way to clean your home, leaving everything sparkling. It's always been pure sodium bicarbonate. No aluminum has ever been added, ensuring purity and quality. We only use pure ingredients, with no additives or fillers. You get the highest quality baking soda every time. What we like? This one is a large, pure baking soda that's aluminum-free. If you need a large quantity and are concerned about aluminum content, this is a practical choice. The large size is perfect for those who use baking soda extensively in their cooking, baking, and cleaning. What people say. I use aluminum-free baking soda in my bath. This 1-gallon tub is efficient, cost-effective, easy to carry and store. The baking soda is smooth, high quality, and the handled container can be reused to store kids' toys, nails and screws, food-grade diatomaceous earth or Epsom salts for your bath. Love this baking soda. I use it to make dishwasher pods, laundry detergent, etc. Excellent for any DIY recipes. Very fresh and deodorizing. Number 2. Relative Foods Baking Soda. It's a pure and natural baking soda, perfect for all your cooking and cleaning needs. Mined from the earth with nothing added, it's gluten-free and free of preservatives. It's completely natural and pure, with no additives or preservatives. This makes it ideal for baking, cooking, and even skincare. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for baking, cooking, cleaning, deodorizing, and even in homemade beauty products. The possibilities are endless. It's a natural deodorizer, cleaner, and stain remover. Say goodbye to unwanted odors and tough stains with this amazing product. It's certified kosher, ensuring the highest standards of quality and purity. You can trust it in your kitchen and beyond. It's the perfect ingredient for all your baking and cooking needs. It's also great for cleaning and other household uses. What we like. This baking soda comes in a 5 pounds bulk size and is certified kosher. If you need a large quantity for various uses and prefer natural and kosher products, this is a great option. Its versatility and large quantity make it ideal for those with multiple uses for baking soda. What people say. Great size bag for laundry use. Works great for getting laundry clean, and I feel better knowing this baking soda isn't leaving behind nasty stuff like aluminum in my clothes. I love having this in bulk instead of purchasing the small boxes. Glad that it can be used for both cooking and cleaning. The baking side, it's high quality. I've reordered couple times now, and yes, I do recommend. Smooth texture. Number 1. Unpretentious Baker Baking Soda. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. This baking soda is non-GMO and made of pure sodium bicarbonate, ensuring quality and purity. Unlike some baking powders, it's completely aluminum-free. It's simply pure sodium bicarbonate for safe and effective baking. It's an all-natural leavening agent for all your cooking and baking needs. It helps your baked goods rise perfectly. It's always been just one ingredient, pure sodium bicarbonate. No hidden additives or fillers. Get the best results with this simple, pure baking soda. It's a kitchen essential you can trust. This 1.5 pounds bag ensures you'll always have plenty on hand for all your baking and cleaning needs. It's a great value for your money. What we like. It's a pure, aluminum-free baking soda, perfect for baking. If you're looking for a reliable and pure baking soda for your recipes, and you want to avoid aluminum, this is a great choice. Its purity ensures consistent results in your baking. What people say. It's safer and healthier than the leading store brand baking soda. This product doesn't have aluminum. This is such a great product, and aluminum-free baking soda is not always easy to find. Baking soda is an essential nutrient for our bodies. It is thus essential to consume only the highest quality baking soda. I use it with my nasal passage cleaner as well as an additive to drinking water when feeling under the weather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.